Hello. Nitakuja. Promise.
Silas amenituma. Hakuna venye utachukua uongozi. Hakuna venye utachukua uongozi Silas akiwa. Niita watu wangu. Mkuja. Hakuna venye utachukua uongozi Silas akiwa. Ni aidha ukufe ama utakufa. Utakuua.
Oi, unataka nini kwangu? Niachilie. Sitaki uongozi mimi.
Silas ndio kiongozi.
Sitaki uongozi mimi.
Kwani ujamaa ameenda wapi tena? Wallahi mimi atanijua. Mimi hata naweza muua sasa. Ujamaa ameenda wapi tena? Fuck mazee, fuck. Mimi nitamuua wallahi.
Kijana wewe ndio itwa Sam? Mbona unafanya watoto wanalepiwa huku?
Sio mimi.
Ni wewe kijana unafanya watoto wanakupenda hadi wanarepiwa?
Hapana.
Unafaa kushikwa kijana.
Mbona sina makosa?
Unafanya watoto wanarepiwa huku ama ni wewe?
Hapana, mimi nilifanya kitu.
Sasa kijana unaenda polisi kuandika statement.
Mbona niende?
Wende kijana uandike statement haraka.
Hapana.
Wende andika statement.
Now tell me, how much did you pay the men to go and kidnap and rape Sandra?
I did not do anything. I did not send the kidnappers.
You need to tell me the truth.
I did nothing.
Do you want me to show you where the criminals are kept?
No, okay.
Now tell me the truth.
Okay, I'll accept. I did all things, what happened and everything.
So you're the one who sent the men to kidnap and rape Sandra?
Yes.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Huyo boss wao alikuwa na ofisa the boss of the store of the black market boss. Go. Kimbia boss. Wow, bravo. So you want me, Denver, add in an interest completing the families of Mr. Simon. Wow, I can see now. And you are now sent to go and keep the innocent. You are paid 50,000 cash. Yes, am I right? Start talking, am I right? You are paid. Is it? Yes or no, my friend? Answer. Yeah. You don't want to answer me? Yeah. You don't want to answer me? Yeah. Have to answer me. Now, you criminals, I will just put you where you deserve. I swear to the living God that I, Bossman and Inspector Ruby, you are going to place you in a specific and nice place. Mr. Paul or whatever is called yourself. Either you or that so-called evil woman in Denver. I, Bossman and Inspector Ruby, we shall and we will take you to your specific position. And everyone who is evil in this community, you will see. Let us go. Let us go, my friend. Let us go.
Yes, boss. You got for me.
Yes, I called for you. I have had the case of the kidnap and the rape of a certain girl. What are you doing about it?
I have a plan.
Which plan?
I'll just go and have an investigation so that we can address the people and get them.
Yes, I'm happy. You are doing a great job. I know. You have to find all these culprits. The people who are behind this thing. This is a little girl. She is a school girl. His name or her name is Sandra. Please, kindly do the justice. Okay? Do you need any help?
Yes.
Help of what? You have the soldiers. Just take these keys. Take them. Go with them. Take whatever you want. And one day, you are going to thank me. I know you can do it. Go. Go on, Ruby. I trust in you, okay? Go. See you later.
Now tell me the truth. Who sent you? I want you to tell me the truth. Because you have not told me the truth till I...
No one sent me here. No one sent me. What do you want from me?
I want the truth from you.
The truth, yeah. No.
My friend, who sent you? I want the truth. Don't tell me that you don't know. Because I want to pay you 50,000 cash through M-Pesa, yes or no? Huh? Am I right?
Yes, they paid us, but...
Who paid you?
They came from M-Pesa, I don't know. Yes. Yes.
You just came from M-Pesa?
Yes.
I know you're lying to me. I know you are lying to you. I know you are lying to you.
How can I lie to you?
You're lying to me.
Why? Why?
You're not lying.
No. Why can I lie? Why can I lie?
Because you are the kidnappers.
Kidnap? No. From where? From where?
Are you not the people who kidnapped Sandra? And
Sandra? Did you? No, I don't know. No, I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know that.
I want you to tell me the truth. Who sent you?
No one.
Who paid you?
No one.
There's someone who paid you.
No one. No one. No one. No one. Yes, no one. Yes. But I don't know that.
You don't know?
Yes.
You don't know?
I don't know.